into the shop and they're like, hey, you more of a sativa or an indica kind of guy. They're oversimplifying the whole thing, which I understand. It helps them sell stuff faster. You go in there and you go, nah, I want an upper and not a downer. I want something that's gonna make me hee 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 and not ho ho ho. So I understand why it exists, but I don't like it. I can't wait till we get better classifications in the future that really help you understand what you're smoking. Either way, come get high with me on Twitch. The session starts at 9 p.m. Eastern. Have a lit day, my dudes. Give it gas when I'm giving competition, getting past, living fast, furious, staying on track, never worry when I'm spinning. Last better get in back, ride from a dog, alphabeted on us, you gon' get it back. Never split this pack. Whenever I witness cap, we ain't fucking with your fiction, facts, your conviction lacks. When I get up in my bag, I'ma spend, we ain't tripping off tax, clipping this tag, working on my wish list, cooking this cake. Let me flip this stack. You a flash in the pan, while you relax in a can. My team in the pack, the sedan, putting tracks in the sand, pushing my craft at the fan, got the people all clapping their hands, putting cash in my brand, keeping my octane high, my graded premium, not 8-9 or 8-7, and when I run across state line, I'm 9-1, I gun it, clock great time when time come, disappearing in the dark horizon, way I cut turns, I'm as sharp as diamonds, got them on tilt like a car's alignment, this is raw refinement, not a hard assignment, I'ma give it gas, give it gas, bitch.
Alright, I got you.
Anyways, y'all know we got the Rick and Morty poster in the background. We also got on our Rick and Morty PJs. Hopefully you're doing your damn thing because it is Sunday morning. But as they say, the king got on his robe. So, you know, we robing it up today. Hey. Shout out to the Team DWC. Yeah, that's the Paradise Slap right there, slapping on a pocket. Shouts out to that, you dig? You know what I'm saying? I might put a lighter in there, but we finna go show you what we just did in the tent. Shouts out to the Rumble video, because we finna end that part of that then. But they get to see something that y'all ain't seen yet. You know, we gonna end up celebrating that later on today, I guess, because, you know, we finally hit that 1,400 subs over here. Shouts out to the analytics in the studio. You know, we be in the studio all the time. You see what I'm saying? Let's see, we're at 35 views, it says, so that's good. Yeah, yesterday's video got 46, so, you know, we keeping it popping. So, you know, we like an hour and 40 minutes into the video, and y'all ain't seen no plants. Yeah, shout out to the studio side, because they already got to see the plant roll in the background, but we cutting them off. Shouts out to y'all. Go to commercial, cut him off. Anyways, there you go. Boom. So now we can show y'all what we got growing on behind us. I just had to add some more water into that because it looks like it was a little bit low, so that's why they're a little bit angry with me. So hell, they're gonna do what they do anyways because they're gonna have plenty of food down there. So boom, there you go. Then moving forward through the house, tent 2's got all those buckets in it. Shouts out to them buckets. Yeah, and then I just kept them in 10 too, right? They're clean and ready for use. As soon as the motherfuckers pop off, they go in. And then for the green room, oh, shouts out to the green room. Y'all know what's popping over here. We got a couple of the Bear Miller genetics. Shouts out to the auto. They're starting off. We're gonna have to watch here in a minute. But then you see the rest of the things we going up. Those are the Banner OG. Shouts out to that, right? Yeah, get that cord out the way. There you go. Nice little quick overhead. Then we got our dragon fruits that we started. It's funny how some of those are huge and some of them are small when they all started at the same time. But hey, that's how that goes, right? And don't see nothing popping up out of there yet. And then we've got the strawberries over here. And our flower's not flowering at the moment, so shouts out to it. It takes breaks from time to time. Hopefully it starts to actually stay a little bit healed up doing this thing though. Shout out to the green room 2025. Y'all know we got more